I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and welcome to another Crafty Vision segment. Today, I'm going to show y'all pretty much how to wire wrap a design. This design you can use it as earrings or you can use it as a pendant. It's completely up to you on what you decide to do with this design. You will need some 12 gauge aluminum wire. I have cut 2 pieces of 12 gauge aluminum wire, pretty much 15 inches long. And you're going to need your round nose pliers and your wire cutters. So let's go ahead and get started. But before I get started, please make sure that y'all give this video a thumbs up so that this video can go into rotation, because I want people, for those who are looking for what I have, to find me. So let's go ahead and get started, y'all. So you want to take 2 pieces of your 12 gauge aluminum wire. We're going to be working with 2 pieces, and like I said, 15 inches long, okay? What you want to do, the first thing you want to do is you want to put them both together, and you want to take, and we're going to make a series of some circles. So you want to eyeball it and come down. You want to come down about maybe about 1.5 inches on your wire, about 1.5 inches. All right, and then you want to make your first loop. So we're going to be making some loops. So all you want to do is, the first loop that you make doesn't have to be big or small. All right, this is your first loop. Just make sure that you are holding your pieces together as tight as you can as you are doing this. Now, when you make your second loop is going to be bigger than your first loop. Okay, so you want your second loop to be bigger than the first one. All right, so this is the second one. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and make our third loop. Our third loop, we want it to be bigger than the second one. So we want to just take and bring it around like this as we are bending. Okay. All right. So that is a little bigger than our first one and our second one. So this is the third loop. Now the fourth loop, we want it to be pretty much the same size as this one right here. So we're just going to bend it like this. Okay, so that's our fourth loop. And then we're going to make one more loop. All right, as you can see, this is what we're going to have. All right, so this is what you should have. Now we're going to go ahead and make one more loop. One more loop, just like this. All right, and here we have it. I don't know what happened to my wire right here. It's all not right. Okay, so I'm gonna bring that like that. So this is pretty much what you are going to have. Like I said, this could be a pendant or earrings, whatever you choose to do with it. Now what we're going to do next is I am going to take and flip this to the back. I'm going to take one of my pieces, this piece here where I first started, and I'm going to take it through that loop. So I'm going to take my round nose pliers, bend it like this, take it through that loop, push it up as far as I can get it and bring it this way. I'm going to take this one, do the same thing, bend it, take it through that loop, take it over as far as I can get it, and bend it down. Let me see. Yeah, bend it this way. Okay. All right. And this is going to hold everything in place. Okay. So this is pretty much what you're going to have. All right. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take and roll this like this. This is just giving it a little design. Okay, push that in. All right. Now when I get to this side, I'm going to do this side pretty much the same way. So I'm going to take this and tuck it. Okay, take this piece and bring it down like this. All right, just like that. And that's going from the front to the back. Now, however you decide to wear this, create this, whether you want to, well, when I'm finished with it, I'll let y'all make the decision. Now I'm going to take, you want to take that piece and take it to the back, and then you're going to bring it back over and take it back through again. So we're going to take it back through again like this, and I'm pulling it as tight as I can get it, just like that. And then I'm going to take this piece right here, this one, and do the same exact thing that I did the first time. Take it through, okay, over like that, take it to the back. All right. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to make a design. So I'm going to bring it and just make a design and pinch it right here. And then I'm going to do the same thing for this piece. Now you have to decide on whether or not how you want to push that right there. All right, and this is pretty much what your piece is looking like. So this is it. Okay, this is it. This is something that's different, it's unique, and you can either, like I said, you can use this as a pendant, or you can use it as a matter of fact, I'm going to take it and just bring it like this. Okay, this is what you're going to have. All right, this is your piece. This is art, y'all. Now, you can hammer this down and give it a different shape. I mean, not a shape, but a look, different look when you hammer it. I'm just taking my pliers and going in. And like I said, this could be a pendant, or it could be an earring, whatever you prefer that you want to use it for. Okay, just like this. So I'm going to flip it. All right, so this is your piece. So this is different, it's unique. All right. Aluminum wire, y'all, you can really spice it up. You can really make it whatever you want to be. You can create so many different designs and shapes and all that stuff, okay? And you can do the same with copper wire, but the thing about aluminum wire, by aluminum wire being a much softer wire, it's much easier for you to bend it. But when you start getting into copper, if you start using like 14 gauge, isn't too bad. But I would say from 16 on up, it's much easier. 16, 18, 20 and up is much easier. Anything that's below 16, even 12 copper wire is going to give you a run for your money, okay? So with this aluminum wire, you can make it in many different shapes. It will not tarnish. You can set it out, leave it out for days at a time, months at a time, and it will not tarnish on you, okay? It's going to get normal wear, but it will not tarnish. That's the question that most people want to know. No, it does not tarnish. You can set it off in a corner for 2 years, and when you come back, it's still going to be the same, okay? So with that being said, y'all go make plenty. Pendant or earrings, you decide. Y'all have a wonderful and awesome day, and thank you so very much for joining me for another Crafty Vision segment. I really like this. I think this would be pendant and earrings. All right, y'all. So, and thank you to my new supporters and my loyal supporters. Y'all have a wonderful and awesome day, and until my next upload, peace and blessings, everyone. I want y'all to see it. See ya.